But answer, your presentation was very good, and it was quite lengthy presentation. Overall material was very good in your presentation. So your presentation was one of the good, and it was good presentation than the presentation of your other members. Shoaib did also good job in that presentation. So overall, it was a good presentation from your side. Yes, Beta Muntaha, unmute yourself now.
Yes, sir. I was on the formation of English language.
Yes, Beta. The slide is shared.
So please share the screen.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. English is a West Germanic language that originated from the Anglo-Frisians delighted brought to the Britain in the mid of 5th to 7th centuries AD by the Anglo-Saxons, migrants from what it is now Northwest Germany, Southern Denmark, and the Netherlands.
Mhm,
The late West Saxons delighted eventually became dominant.
mhm.
At first, English, known as English, then the English, and the last era is the final language of it became English language. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Beta. Well done. Good job. You did a good presentation, Muntaha. I don't know why you were just delaying your presentation. It was a good
Sir,
presentation.
actually, it was a network problem at my side.
Okay, don't worry, Beta. Don't worry. Okay.
Thank you so much, sir.
Where is
Any
Rehan?
questions, sir?
No, Beta, Beta. Good job. Good job.
Thank you, sir.
Rehan, raise your hand that I'm gonna unmute you and start your presentation, Beta. Rehan, are you there? Okay. Unmute yourself.
Sir, PPT.
Did you share PPT?
Yes, sir.
Where it is? In the group?
Sir, in the group,
You have shared again?
last one. Okay, sir.
What's the name, Beta? Mohammed Rehan. Okay.
Muhammad Rehan.
Okay, got it. Let me open it for you. Yes, go ahead.
I start with the name of Allah, who is Rahman and Rahim. Assalamu alaikum to all of you. As you know that my name is Muhammad Rehan and I am the student of Benazir Bhutto Shahid University Liari from English department. Today we have a presentation of English literature and my topic is Middle English. Sir, next slide, sir, please.
Yes.
Sir, second one. Introduction to Middle English. Middle English, also known as Age of Geoffrey Chaucer, Latin and French was on it. Writers and authors used to feel as while writing in English and used to feel proud about Latin and French. English was the language of common people. Latin and French was the language of court laws and court laws and military and so on. He is known as the father of English poetry. Sir, next slide. Characteristics or features. Peasant Revolts, also called Wat Taylor Rebellion, 1381, first great popular rebellion in English history. The revival of alliterative poetry. The author of the later 14th century alliterative poems either inherited or developed their own conventions which resemble those of the Old English tradition in only the most general word. William Langland's long alliterative poem Spears Pullman is very famous poem. Langland wrote in the unrhymed alliterated word, but he modified in such a way as to make it more accessible to a wider audience. Country poetry. This status was given to the English poetry during this time. Sir, next slide. Geoffrey Chaucer. Geoffrey Chaucer was born in 1342 and 43. It's not decided and died on October 25, 14,000 in London, also known as and founder and father of English poetry, outstanding English poet before Shakespeare. His professions was management of public affairs, courtier, courtier, diplomat, and civil servant. Worked under three kings, Edward III, Richard I, and Henry V.
Mhm.
Education as a poet. Sir, next slide, please.
Okay.
Education as a poet. Italian liberation, especially influenced by Dante's writing French and Latin literature from the experience of his own life as he was the man of society best known as Canterbury Tales. Thank you, sir.
Good job. Now, who's going to present, beta? Raise your hand. Yes, beta. Raise your hand. Yes, beta. Femina, did you give your presentation? आपका भी नहीं हुआ था, I guess. Due to the network issue, you are unable to unmute yourself. अब try करें बेटा. Sumbul. Yes, बेटा Sumbul. Wait. Yes, बेटा Sumbul. Unmute yourself. I tried again 3 times to unmute Famida, but I think she's unable to do it. Yes, बेटा Sumbul, unmute yourself.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम
वालेकुम अस्सलाम बेटा.
सर प्रेजेंटेशन सर सुमैया को आप अनम्यूट कर दें फर्स्ट टर्न उनका है
She has to raise her hand. उनको बोलें कि वो अपना हैंड रेज करें जब तक आजान का भी 2 मिनट का ब्रेक है, तो उसके बाद हम
ओके
स्टार्ट
सर
करते हैं. उनको बोलें कि वो अपना हैंड रेज करें. ठीक है.
ओके सर थैंक्स
2 मिनट्स ब्रेक फॉर आजान.
ओके सर अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर हेलो
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, सॉरी आई वाज म्यूट बेटा, मेरा माइक म्यूट पे
अस्सलाम
रखा
वालेकुम।
हुआ। वालेकुम अस्सलाम, मेरा माइक म्यूट पे रखा हुआ था, मुझे पता भी नहीं था। यस बेटा।
So, assalamu alaikum to everyone. This is me, Sumaya Arshad from BS
बेटा
English Department.
बेटा सुमया, वेट, व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ योर टॉपिक दैट आई कैन शेयर योर पीपीटी?
Okay, sorry, sir. Sir, literature Anglo-Norman
लिटरेचर।
means sir literature के name से save है literature PDF.
ओके ओके, लेट मी फाइंड इट फॉर यू।
Okay.
लिटरेचर के नाम से बिस्मिल्लाह रहमान रहीम वाली।
जी जी
नो, सुमैया अरशद सवेरा। ओके, यही है।
जी sir. Yes yes यही है.
ओके ओके बेटा, लेट मी शेयर इट फॉर यू। नाउ स्टार्ट।
So, assalamu alaikum to everyone. This is me, Sumaya Arshad from BS English Department, Section B. I'll start my presentation with the name of Allah, who is most merciful and beneficial to all of us. First, I want to thank Sir Abdul Khalid for giving me this great opportunity. So today our group presentation topic is Anglo-Norman, and I am telling about historical background. We are moving to historical background. Sir, slide the next. So first we have to know who is Norman and where from they come. The Norman are Northmen and they come from France, northern France, in a region called Normandy. Their culture was French. First, they invaded England in 1066. Their king William conquered the England, and then he became the king of England after the death of King Edward the Confessor. They ruled England for about 300 years. Point number third, before a go, when Normans planned their invasion, the Vikings were also interested in taking over England. The Vikings were very strong and powerful that time, so first they invaded England, and the Vikings king, the King Harold, became the new king of England. When Harold was the king of England, the Battle of Hastings happened between the Harold and William, the Duke of Normandy, for English crown. So the William conquered the England in 1066 AD, and he defeated the King Harold and Vikings. After in this battle, the King Harold was dead. Now we are moving to characteristics. So first point is during this period there were many changes. When Norman was there, so they brought so many changes like in culture, in literature, their language, or political. Even they brought class structure change. The class system were divided into three types. Who spoke French, they were belonged to higher class or elite class, and who spoke English, they belonged to the lower class, and the clergy was the people of people of the sorry sir, I forget. Clergy was the people who spoke Latin.
Okay.
Now the third point is Norman period, also known as the age of transition between Old English and Middle English. They established a new social system which we call feudalism. Feudalism means hierarchy of rulers under one lord. French was used by upper class, while English because the French was their language, so also French was used by upper class peoples, and the language of Norman were French and Latin. Thank you.
Okay बेटा, who's next presenter? I think it would be let's unmute Savera. Yes बेटा, Savera, are you the next presenter?
Yes, sir. Assalamu alaikum to our respected sir and classmate. Sir, voice clear?
Yes बेटा, you're audible.
Okay. Before starting, I must say Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sagira Kashyap. I'm the student of English Department, Section B. Today is my first presentation of this subject. And for this, I'm very thankful to our respected Sir Khalid for giving us this chance. So our topic is Anglo-Norman, in which my content is the Battle of Hastings, sir.
Okay.
And what were the events that leads to the Battle of Hastings? The Battle of Hastings was fought for the English crown. In 1051, Edward the Confessor probably designated William, the Duke of Normandy, a cousin, as his heir. According to Norman accounts, Edward sent Harold Earl of Wessex to Normandy in 1064 to confirm his promise to William, and Harold to swear to defend William's claim. Nevertheless, on his deathbed, Edward granted the kingdom to Harold, who was crowned the next day. In response, William gathered an army. So, ये सब sir, next
Okay.
we move to next slide, in which how was the battle fought. The Battle of Hastings began at dawn on 14th of October 1066 when William's army moved towards Harold's army, which was occupying a ridge 10 miles, like 16 kilometers northwest Hastings. During the battle, the Normans fought the English by pretending to flee in mid-battle, which encouraged the English to break ranks and pursue them. They were partly successful. As the day progressed, the defense was wound down and slowly outnumbered. So third one is the death, in which I say with the daylight fading, Normals made one final effort to take the ridge. By that time, Harold's two brothers and other English commanders were almost certainly dead. Then came to the decisive movement. During the final assault, Harold himself was killed. Battle ends and the Normals now began a last fierce assault, with Harold being dead, leave the English leaderless and hopeless. So the English force finally gave way and fled, and Normans won the battle. After the victory, William marched on London, and he was crowned King of England on Christmas Day in 1066. Last one, sir, we move to our last slide. Which was mine. Okay, how did the Battle of Hastings change the course of English history? With Normans becoming the rulers of England, there also comes a change in the language. Norman French, also known as Anglo-Norman, added richness to the English language. There's examples. For example, French has given English rich and sophisticated words such as melody, music, painting, captain, communion, temptation, and salvation. So here is I'm done. And thank you, sir, for I'm requested to Tanzil Fatma to continue this presentation.
Okay, well done, beta. Good job. Well done.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, beta. Tanzil Fatma, unmute yourself.
सर वॉइस क्लियर है?
Yes, beta, you are audible.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, this is me Tanzil Fatma from English department 12 batch section B. In the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful, thanks to Sir Khalid for giving me this opportunity. Today is my topic is changing in English language and literature. France became the ruler of English. Then Anglo-French became the official language because all the aristocratic people, they were speaking French, and all the middle class or lower class people were speaking Old English. So that Middle English language was formed by including words from French and including words from Old English. So both of these languages, which is combined to form what we today know as Middle English literature. And there were so many French words that were adding to the dictionary. About 10,000 words were added from French to English. Sir, please change the slide. Romances became a popular literary form, for example, including the age to be a chivalric rather than heroic one. These romances were mostly borrowed from Latin and French. They deal with the stories of King Arthur, the War of Troy, and Alexander the Great. Also, their literature were the chronicle and on saint's life and other moral literature. Chronicle. A chronicle is a factual written account of the important or the historical events in the order of their occurrence. Historical writing was popular in Normandy. Religious poetry was also disappeared. Thank you, sir. And now I will invite my group member, Sumbul.
Okay, beta. Good job. Yes, beta Sambul, we should start now.
Assalamu alaikum, respected sir and all my classmates.
Walaikum assalam.
With the name of Allah, who is kind, most merciful and beneficial, this is me, Sumbul Bisharat Ali. Today, my topic is changing in England and Western Europe. Thanks to Sir Abdul Khalik to give me opportunity. So let's go the topic. Changing in England and Western Europe. The Norman conquest changes the face of England and Western Europe forever. First, what were the changes in Western Europe? The changes such as the industrial revolutions and political liberalizations spread first and fastest in Western Europe, Britain, France, the Low Countries, Scandinavia, and to an extent Germany and Italy. Second, how did Norman conquest change England? The conquest saw the Norman elite replace that of the Anglo-Saxon and take over the country land. The church was destructed. A new architecture was introduced in the form of Morty and Valley Castle and Roman cathedrals. Feudalism become much more widespread. Norman conquest broke England, linked with Denmark and Norway, and connected the country to Normandy and Europe. William imposed a feudal system in England. Feudal system. The system of giving land in exchange for duties had existed before the Norman conquest, but William confiscated land from Anglo-Saxon, which created a whole new power structure. Norman feudalism was based on royal strength. He recognized the church in England. He bought men from France to be bishops and abbots. Great cathedrals. It means a very large, usually stone buildings for Christians worshipped, and huge monasteries. Monastery was a building where people live and worshipped, devoting their time and life to God. Were called monks. Were built. Many of the English higher class had been killed on the field at Hastings. Those who escaped were heated as treasure. English was suddenly displaced by French, introduced foreign type of literature in England. Just change slide. Please. Conclusion. The Norman conquest was the last successful invention of England by a foreign climate. Others have tried, such as the Spanish, the French, the German, and failed. We can therefore look back on the Norman conquest on helping to shape the England of the present. Normans brought enormous changes in England. The importance of 1066 is seen in the permanence of those changes. Thank you, sir.
I'm sorry, beta. I was when the Sumbul just done her presentation, then I got a call on my phone, so I was answering that call. Now let's. Is there anyone who's remaining, beta, for presentation? If there is anyone, please let me know. Okay, now let's give some comments to these presentations. The first presentation was given in this group was by Sumaya. Sumaya, beta, you made a mistake in starting of your presentation. You said that I am from BS English department. See, beta, this is not a BS English department. Actually, it's an English department. Okay, so BS is the name of your degree. No comment from Sabah Khan. No, my mic was not off, beta. Actually, I was talking on call. I got a call from one of the teacher from university, so that's why I had to answer the call. So I was there. My mic was deliberately, I just turned off my mic. Okay. So see, uh, now let's move forward to the comments. Yes, my beta, I was saying that it's English department. Okay, it's not BS English. BS English is the name of your degree, or it's the name of your program which you are doing there. Now, apart from that, then Savera came. Savera, your presentation was good, and more importantly, the most attractive thing which I found in your presentation was you put questions in your PPT, and those questions made that very much attractive, and those questions made it very easy to be understood that what kind of questions are being asked and how you are answering those questions through your presentation. So it was a good technique. By the way, I like this technique as well. And then Tanzil Fatma again, Beta Tanzil, your content was good, your confidence was good, and it was overall a good presentation. So that means you did a good job. And after that, the last presenter was Sumbul. Sumbul, your starting was also good. The content, even I was listening that from background. It was your younger sister or younger brother which was calling you Api Api, but you just changed the place. I just felt that you just stood up and then you went somewhere else and you found another place, and then but you did not stop. You carried on your presentation. That means you were being disturbed behind, but you did not got distracted. You did not get distracted, so that was very good thing. And it was a good thing that you carried on your presentation. And overall it was an excellent presentation, Sumbul Beta. I like the way you present and the way you explained each and everything that was outstanding. So it was all about the comments. If you have any queries or any question, please let me know in chat box or raise your hand. Yes, Vida. Do you hear me? Let me know in chat box. Okay, Sumbul, thank you so much, sir. Bobina says that you didn't, but I do have comments for you as well. So let me find the page. मैं उसी में से देख के आपको कमेंट्स दे देता हूँ. सी बेटा, इन बिटवीन ये होता है कि कभी ये भी होता है कि कुछ लोगों को कमेंट्स देना भी भूल जाता हूँ. तो आई एम रियली वेरी सॉरी फॉर दैट. वो मैमा से सर का माइक ऑफ है, आवाज कैसे आएगी? सही कह रही है बेटा, मेरा माइक ऑफ था, मैं कॉल पे बात कर रहा था. सेज उनसा, मुबीना, शोएब, मोहम्मद उसामा. ओके. See beta, Unsa beta, let me give you comments to your group. Unsa Imtiaz, your presentation was quite lengthy, and it was quite lengthy presentation, and I believe that you presented for around 7 minutes. That was a good thing, but you need to manage a little bit time, and you have to just get key ideas and then manage those all key ideas within the 5 to 6 minutes. That means you are not allowed to speak more than 6 minutes, but you just spoke for nearly 7 minutes or more than 7 minutes. But overall, that means that your presentation was good and you had a lot of content and you presented it in a very cohesive manner. Then Mubina came. Mubina, your presentation was also good, and it was seemed to me that you were very calm. बिल्कुल वो जो relax होके जो presentation दी जाती है, your presentation was that kind of presentation and it was good. Then Shoaib came. Shoaib beta, your starting was outstanding and it was very calm. मतलब बहुत अच्छी starting थी. I was very impressed from your starting. But जैसे ही आप आपकी starting हुई तो उसके बाद I don't know what happened to you. उसके बाद मीन्स मुझे पता नहीं था कि क्या हुआ आपको, कि वो जो स्टार्टिंग थी वो बिल्कुल उससे हट कर चले गए. यू आर गेटिंग कंफ्यूज एंड यू आर प्रोनाउंसिंग वर्ड्स इनएक्यूरेटली एंड आई थॉट के थोड़ा सा आवाज़ में जो वो डिस्ट्रैक्शन, नॉट डिस्ट्रैक्शन बट क्या कहते हैं इसको बेटा, जो आवाज़ में थोड़ा सा जो लड़खड़ाहट आ जाती है. सो सच काइंड ऑफ हाँ, यस, वी कैन से दैट देयर वाज अ वाइब्रेशन इन वॉइस. तो इस तरह से मुझे फील हुआ. बट द वे यू स्टार्टेड दैट वाज आउटस्टैंडिंग. तो ऑल यू नीड टू डू इज, बिल्कुल जिस तरह से आराम से सुकून से आपने स्टार्टिंग की थी, इसी तरह से आप नेक्स्ट टाइम अगर कोई प्रेजेंटेशन दे तो इसी तरह से आप देते जाइएगा. इट विल हेल्प यू and it will bring a great good impression on your presentation. So wish you very best of luck. And then Mohammad Osama came. Mohammad Osama, your presentation was also good. The content which you used, it was really, see beta, जो content होता है ना वो बड़ा मैटर करता है कि आप क्या बोल रहे हैं, कैसे बोल रहे हैं वो बाद में आता है, लेकिन जो बोल रहे हैं दैट इज मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग. कि जिसका भी कंटेंट मुझे अच्छा लगता है कि हाँ वो ऐसा नहीं है कि बस जो भी चीज उसको मिली है उसने उठाकर यहाँ पर प्रेजेंट कर रहा है, तो दैट इज यूजलेस कंटेंट. बट वो जो आप अपने टॉपिक से रिलेवेंट कुछ बोल रहे हैं दैट इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट. सो सी मोहम्मद उस्मा, आपका कंटेंट बहुत अच्छा था. दैट मीन्स इट वाज अ गुड प्रेजेंटेशन. देन ईमान, ईमान आपकी प्रेजेंटेशन बहुत अच्छी थी. बट somehow I just felt कि थोड़ा कंटेंट में इशू था आपका. जो कंटेंट था दैट वाज नॉट अप टू द मार्क. वो जैसे एक सिंपली हमने यूट्यूब, सॉरी नॉट यूट्यूब बट गूगल से 2-4 वेबसाइट से कोई चीज़ें ढूंढ ली एंड देन वी जस्ट एक्सप्लेन देम. बट द वे of your presentation was quite good. But if you will work little bit hard, so आपकी presentation बहुत बहुत अच्छी हो सकती है. and you have a lot of qualities in your presentation, and that means कि you have good presentation skills बेटा. तो इसको आप यूटिलाइज कर सकते हैं, बस थोड़ा उनको पॉलिश करने की ज़रूरत है. एंड देन मुंतहा, योर प्रेजेंटेशन वाज आल्सो वेरी मच गुड बेटा. आई थिंक देयर वाज नॉट no any fault in your presentation. This is what I said you during the presentation, that beta you did a good job, but I don't know why you are very much reluctant to give it. But you said that there was a network issue, so that means your presentation was very much good and I liked your presentation, Muntaha. So Muhammad Rehan, your presentation was also good, and it was impressive. It was quite lengthy. You spoke more than 6 minutes, so good job beta. If you have any question, any queries, please let me know in chat box or raise your hand. Kunut one has. Yes, beta Kunut. Yes, beta Sumaya, I gave comments on your presentation as well. I think you didn't listen them. I don't know why. Yes, beta Kunut, do you want to say something? You have raised your hand.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum assalam, beta.
Sir, I want to say something before starting my presentation.
Yes.
Sir, actually मेरी जो PPT है ना उसमें पहले से क्या कहते हैं explanation है ना वो पहले से लिखा हुआ है, तो मैं जो है ना वो explain नहीं करूँगी, मैं अपनी तरफ से जो explain करूँगी.
I'm not sharing your PPT, बेटा आप start कर दें. You are giving individual presentation, बेटा.
No sir, I have PPT but वो काफी
individual
lengthy
means
है
कि आपके
और
साथ group members कौन
explanation
से हैं?
पहले से लिखी हुई है सर.
Group members कौन है बेटा आपके group members?
सर उनसा और उनसा के साथ हूँ मैं.
अच्छा, आप भी उनसा ने तो दे दिया बेटा प्रेजेंटेशन. Now,
सर उस वक्त लाइट नहीं थी इसलिए
ओके बेटा, हमारे पास सिर्फ 4.5 मिनट बचे हैं, तो उन 4.5 मिनट में आप अपना प्रेजेंटेशन दे दें जल्दी में से.
ओके सर.
ओके, स्टार्ट नाउ.
सर पीपीटी शेयर कर दूं?
नहीं, आप ऐसे ही स्टार्ट कर दें. आई एम लिसनिंग बेटा.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. Myself Punoot from English Department 12 batch section B. Before starting my presentation, I'm very thankful to Allah and my respected sir who gives me opportunity to start this presentation. My presentation topic is about the background of Anglo-Saxon. Introduction of Anglo-Saxon is English literature was actually started with Anglo-Saxon literature so that they can be called as forefather of English literature. England is a country that is part of the United Kingdom. It shares land borders with Scotland to the north and Wales to the west. The Irish Sea lies northwest of England, whilst the Celtic Sea lies to the southwest. Most of England comprises the central and southern part of the island of Great Britain, which lies in the North Atlantic. People of England. The England we know as England was occupied by the race of people called Celts. One of the tribe was called the Britain or Briton, where we get the term Britain. The Celts were pagans, and their religion was known as animism.
Okay.
Angles, Saxons, and Jews. Those who came over were of the three most powerful nations of Germany. The history of English language really started with the arrival of three Germanic tribes who invaded Britain during the 5th century AD. These tribes, the Anglo-Saxons and Jews, crossed the North Sea from what we call today Denmark. The Angles were named from eagle. Their land of origin, their language was called English, from which the word English derives. Their famous poetry is Beowulf.
Okay.
Their life and literature. Literature of any country in any period is the reflection of the life by the people of the country in that particular period.
Exactly.
Anglo-Saxons began as an oral. Sorry, sir, I'm confused.
Don't worry, beta. Go ahead.
Literature began as an oral tradition. Stories, poems, and songs were all told loud and passed from generation to generation orally. Anglo-Saxon believed the only one thing that lasted was fame. Fightings held in a mead hall where warriors held a contest of wits to prize themselves and belittle others. Sir, bas itna hi.
Okay, beta, good job. Okay, beta, Kunal. This session is also going to be expired within half of the minute. So you did a good job. Yes, beta Sumaya, I had given you comment. I said that overall your presentation was good and the content was also good in your presentation. And